Safety first. No, this isn't a boring safety lecture. It's unfortunate that safety is boring. Some people teach it better than others, but I hope you employ safety in what you do. I sure do. I'm actually in process to install a new safety device on my table saw. So I use this by Microjig. It's my push block, and this thing's well built. It's amazing. They're not paying me to say this. I'm just saying this because I love this thing. It does the job well. I never, ever, ever let my guard down when using the table saw, but this makes me feel like I'm in control. You can slide the boards readily. It has these grippy pads. It's a great device. One thing I don't have currently installed on my table saw is any kind of guard, and it's one of the reasons people end up getting hurt. But there is a nice compromise. It's an alternative to having the full guard, and it's having a riving knife. And basically what that is, here's the plate. The blade comes up through here, and a riving knife would come up through here. And what that allows it to do is when the board comes through and cuts, it splits. It keeps the wood from kickback. And kickback is essentially when the board crosses over onto the spinning blade and the teeth throw the wood. It spins at you so that wood can come your way. If it kicks back and your hand would be on that board, it can draw your hand into the danger zone. I don't want that to happen, ever. I don't want that to happen to me. I don't want that to happen to you. I don't want that to happen to anyone. So what I'm going to do is create a new one of these plates, a low clearance, so it'll be just the width of the blade, 1/8 inch. And I'm going to install this other product, also from Microjig, and it's called the MJ Splitter. It actually has these devices, and you can see them installed here on the back. This thing gets nothing but rave reviews. I'm so in love with this thing. I don't want to use the table saw without it. I'm hoping this will add additional security and peace of mind while I'm using the table saw. Definitely take precautions. Safety is a must. If you don't maintain your faculties, you're not going to be able to make. And making makes life worth living. All right, folks. Have a great and safe day.